Good day, students. Today in physics, we will focus on the speed of a wave. But instead of a long lecture, we'll concentrate on problem solving. We will solve sample problems. One where we find the speed of a wave, one for the wavelength, and one for the frequency. I'll guide you step by step, and then you can try similar problems on your own. Remember the key formula. Speed of a wave equals frequency times wavelength, and their units. For the speed, we have meters per second. For the frequency, that is hertz, and that would be equal to 1 per second. Wavelength in meters. So whether we're solving for speed, wavelength, or frequency, we just need to rearrange this formula depending on what's missing. Let's get started. Number 1. Finding the speed of a wave. Our problem here, a wave has a frequency of 25 Hz and a wavelength of 2 meters. What is the speed of the wave? We will follow the format in problem solving. Given, frequency or f equals 25 Hz and that is also equal to 25 per second. Wavelength equals 2 meters. We need to find the speed of the wave, and the speed of the wave is v equals question mark. Our equation, speed of the wave, v equals wavelength times frequency. For our solution, we copy again our equation. Next, for our substitution from the given, v equals, the 2 meters here came from the given. Next, we have to substitute the frequency and we will use the 25 per second. We will not use the 25 Hz. So we will have a final answer, V equals 50 meters per second. So for our final answer here, just copy what we have solved. The speed of the wave equals 50 meters per second. Number 2. Finding the wavelength. Problem. A wave travels at a speed of 60 meters and has a frequency of 15 Hz. What is the wavelength of the wave? Given, frequency equals 15 Hz from this problem, and that is equivalent to 15 per second. The speed of the wave equals 60 meters per second. We need to find the wavelength, and that is wavelength equals question mark. For our equation, wavelength equals speed divided by the frequency. That is manipulated from the original equation. Solution, copy again the equation, and then we need to substitute. So for the speed here, we have 60 meters per second. Again, that is from the given. Next, for the frequency, we will use the 15 per second. We will not use the 15 Hz. Next thing to do is to cancel the seconds. So we have the final answer, wavelength equals 4 meters. Last one, finding the frequency. Problem. A wave moves at a speed of 48 meters per second and has a wavelength of 4 meters. What is the frequency of the wave? Given, speed equals 48 meters per second. Wavelength equals 4 meters. Find the frequency, and that is still question mark. Equation, by manipulating our original equation, we will have our frequency equals speed divided by the wavelength. Solution, copy again our equation. Next, we need to substitute. 48 meters per second, that is our speed from our given. Next, we have here the wavelength, and that is 4 meters. Next thing to do is to cancel both the meters. After that, we will have the answer, frequency equals 12 per second. So we will write the final answer as frequency or F equals 12 per second. That's all for now. I hope you learned something today.